Every culture is like a unique melody with its own rhythm, harmony, and meaning. But what happens when these melodies meet? Do they clash, or do they blend to create something even more beautiful? Today, we're going to explore how to navigate cultural differences and build bridges, not walls. Hi, and welcome to Inspiring New Horizons. In this video, we'll dive into what makes cultures unique and how understanding these differences can help us form meaningful connections, embrace diversity, and overcome challenges. First, let's talk about why cultural differences exist. Throughout history, people from different regions have developed their own customs, traditions, and values shaped by their environment, beliefs, and way of life. From the way we greet each other to the food we eat, every culture has its own flavor. Understanding these differences is the first step to navigating them. But here's the thing. Cultural differences are not barriers, they are opportunities. Opportunities to learn, to grow, and to connect with others in ways we never thought possible. Now, how do we approach cultural differences with the right mindset? One of the keys is being open-minded. When we approach a new culture with curiosity, rather than judgment, we begin to see the world through a different lens. It's about asking questions, listening, and being willing to embrace the unfamiliar. Imagine trying a new dish, learning a traditional dance, or even picking up a few words in a different language. It's these moments of openness that turn cultural differences into bridges. Of course, navigating cultural differences isn't always easy. Misunderstandings can happen. For example, what's considered polite in one culture might be seen as rude in another. But instead of building walls, we can focus on building bridges by communicating openly and learning from these experiences. When we approach these challenges with respect and empathy, we can turn them into opportunities for deeper connection and mutual understanding. So, how can we build bridges in our everyday lives? Start by learning about other cultures, whether it's through books, travel, or conversations. Take the time to get to know the people around you who come from different backgrounds. Celebrate the differences, but also look for the common ground that unites us. We all share the desire for happiness, peace, and love. When we focus on these shared values, cultural differences no longer feel like obstacles. They become pathways to deeper human connection. In a world that's more connected than ever, we have the opportunity to build bridges across cultures, to celebrate what makes us unique, and to embrace the beautiful diversity of the human experience. Remember, cultural differences aren't something to fear, they're a gateway to greater understanding and harmony. Thank you for watching Inspiring New Horizons. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's continue building bridges, not walls, as we journey together toward a more connected and harmonious world.